I'm Bo Weilman, and this is 3D Platform. For over 7 years, 3D Platform has been delivering large format, high quality 3D printers. But now, we want to offer a small format solution as well. We're excited to bring you BCN3D's newest lineup of 3D printers. The Epsilon W50, W27, and D25 are dual extrusion 3D printers with top shelf components and independent dual extrusion modes. With duplication mode and mirror mode, you'll be able to increase your productivity by 100%. It's like having two 3D printers in one. Great for industrial and workshop applications. With BCN's all-new smart cabinet, you'll get moisture-free filament for 24/7 worry-free 3D printing. Stay tuned for tips, tricks, and more, as well as the latest offerings from 3D Platform. Thanks for watching.